Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved, Microsoft Office updating Office. Please wait a moment. Type System Configuration in Windows search bar. Click System Configuration. Click Services tab. Check Hide all Microsoft services. Click Disable all. Click Apply, OK. Click Restart. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Check small icons. Click Programs and Features. Select Microsoft Office. Click Change. Check Quick Repair, Repair. Click Close. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.